Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful card with the Forever Blossom stamp set and the coordinating Cherry Blossoms dies. Now both of these products are carrying over into the upcoming annual catalog, but the discounted bundle price where you can save 10% by buying them together is not carrying over. So if you'd like to order them, buy them before the price goes up on June 3rd. I'm also going to be using the stunningly gorgeous Parisian Blossoms Specialty Designer Series paper. Now we call this a specialty paper because it has these gorgeous champagne foil accents on the paper. And you can truly see that I love this paper because it's almost all gone. And of course the paper will not be carrying over to the new annual catalog. So the measurements for this card are as follows. You'll need a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a white layer of 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of designer series paper that's 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and then a piece of cardstock that is 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. You'll also need some additional white scrap cardstock pieces. So I'm going to start with stamping the gorgeous cherry blossom image on my white cardstock, and then I'm going to cut it out with the coordinating die. And because I want to color this image with my blends, I'm going to stamp it in Memento black. Next, I'm going to use my 2-inch circle punch to punch out a circle, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment on it. With this crumb cake layer, I'm going to emboss it with the gorgeous 3D embossing folder Parisian Flourish. Now, embossing folders are one of the things that it's so hard to get a sense of when you see them in the catalog, so I really want to show you what this looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Now to make it look even more amazing, I'm going to sponge some soft suede ink over top to really bring out that texture. Now it's time to color my flower, and then I'll be ready to assemble my card. While I'm coloring, I'll give you a tip about blends markers. You may have noticed that many blends are listed on the annual retirement list. This is because Stampin' Up! Has decided that blends will only be sold in pairs from now on. No more singles available. They made this decision based on sales and ordering trends, showing that customers prefer the combo pack, which includes one light and one dark Stampin' Blends marker. If you do a lot of coloring with your blends, you may want to consider stocking up on the lights of your favorite colors. People, including me, tend to use the lights about 70% more than the darks. Single Stampin' Blends markers will be available until June 2nd or while supplies last. And once the new annual catalog starts on June 3rd, singles will no longer be available. And for my last step, I'm going to add some of these beautiful champagne rhinestone jewels to embellish. I'm so glad that these gorgeous rhinestones are continuing into the new annual catalog. And there's my finished card. Now you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something you want to learn about, then please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can get all the details on Zoom virtual crafting sessions, class by mail options, and much, much more by subscribing to the newsletter. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!